Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
Here we have a chemical formula C3H7NO, or 3 carbons, 7 hydrogens, 1 nitrogen, and 1 oxygen. We have to draw 8 structures where oxygen is part of a carbonyl group. So if we take a look at what a carbonyl group actually is, it's just a carbon double bonded to an oxygen. And on one side, we have some sort of something going on and something on the other side. So carbon is double bonded to an oxygen and then singly bonded to other things. So let's take a look at these structures. The first one, structure number 1, where the carbonyl group is attached to the carbon, and then R prime is just hydrogen, and then R is the nitrogen with the other 2 carbons branched off of the nitrogen. Now, structure number 2, we have sort of a kink or a bend. However, this could also be represented linearly, which the rest of them are going to be as. So here, the carbons are in a chain, and nitrogen is just part of that chain, and the carbonyl group is right there in the middle, right next to the nitrogen. Structure number 3, again, linear chain, the carbonyl group is on the end. Now, for structure number 4, we have nitrogen on the end and the carbonyl group on the opposite end. Structure number 5, nitrogen is still on the end, but now the carbonyl group is in the middle. Structure number 6, where nitrogen is still on one end, and then the carbonyl group is on the carbon directly adjacent to it. And then one more, structure number 7, we have nitrogen back in the middle. It's in that third linear spot, and then the carbonyl group is on that end, then on the right side, on the carbon on the right of the nitrogen. So these were the only 7 structures that I was able to come up with where we have a carbonyl group and a nitrogen, and then also 7 hydrogens. I was able to form additional structures with the carbonyl group, but I would lose hydrogens and I would have a different chemical formula. So I would like to contend that there are not 8 structures, that there are indeed only 7, in which oxygen is part of the carbonyl group, and that there are 7 hydrogens.